Ever wondered how YouTubers rake in over $500,000 a year? It's crazy, right? Like, what are they doing that's bringing in that much cash? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 ways they do it. We're talking big money strategies here, from the basics to the stuff you've never even heard of. So, if you're ready to see how the biggest names on YouTube are cashing in, stick around. This is gonna be wild. First up, we've got the bread and butter of YouTube income, ad revenue. You know those ads that play before, during, or after a video? Yeah, those are money makers. Every time someone watches or clicks on an ad on their videos, YouTubers get a cut of the cash. Now, how much they make depends on a couple of things. One is CPM, which stands for cost per meal, or in simpler terms, the cost advertisers pay for 1,000 views. The higher the CPM, the more money YouTubers make. But that's not all. Viewer engagement plays a huge role too. The more views, likes, comments, and shares a video gets, the more appealing it becomes to advertisers, and the more those CPMs skyrocket. Next level YouTube income comes from sponsorships. We're talking about brands throwing serious cash at YouTubers to feature their products or services in their videos. Imagine getting paid to talk about something you already love. That's the dream, and that's what sponsorships are all about. YouTubers with a large and engaged audience can score some seriously sweet deals. These deals can range from a quick shout-out to a full-blown product integration woven seamlessly into the video's content. And trust me, the bigger the YouTuber, the bigger the brand deals. Chapter 3. Merchandise from fans to customers. Ever wanted to rock a t-shirt or hoodie with your favorite YouTuber's logo? Of course you have. Well, guess what? That's another way these creators are making bank. Merch sales. From clothing and accessories to phone cases and even custom-designed products, YouTubers are building their own brands and turning their viewers into loyal customers. And let me tell you, it's a goldmine. Think about it. Fans are already super passionate about the creator, so why not rep their merch? It's like a badge of honor, and it's a win-win for both sides. Chapter 4. Affiliate marketing. Earning on every click. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where things get sneaky smart. YouTubers will partner with brands and include special links in their video descriptions or even on screen. These links aren't your average links though. They're magic money links. When a viewer clicks on an affiliate link and makes a purchase, the YouTuber earns a commission. It's a genius way to monetize their recommendations. They're already recommending products and services they love, so why not get a little kickback for it? Chapter 5. Crowdfunding and memberships, power to the people. Last but not least, we have the power of the people. Crowdfunding and memberships. Platforms like Patreon and YouTube memberships have changed the game, allowing fans to directly support their favorite creators. Think of it like a VIP club. Fans pay a monthly fee to get exclusive perks, like behind-the-scenes content, badges, emojis, and even direct interactions with the YouTubers themselves. This direct support is huge for creators, providing them with a consistent stream of income to keep doing what they love and creating awesome content. And there you have it, the top 5 ways YouTubers make over $500,000 a year. From ad revenue and sponsorships to merch, affiliate marketing, and the amazing support of their fans, these creators have cracked the code to YouTube success. So, if you're dreaming of making it big on YouTube, remember these strategies. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right approach, you can achieve anything. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. Until next time, keep creating and keep crushing it.